Before you record your Google Business Profile video for verification, watch this video. It could save you multiple failed verification attempts. I'll show you exactly what Google wants to see and how to record your video step by step. Hi everyone, this is Vinay Toshimal, Google Business Profile product expert and a specialist in complex reinstatement cases. Over the past few months, I intentionally completed 5 different Google Business Profile video verification for my own business to test what actually works and what does not. After all these experiments, I have enough experience to share the best way to record video for verification and give your profile the highest possible chance of getting verified on the first attempt. But before you start recording, there is one thing I want to make very clear. A perfect video cannot fix a profile that does not comply with Google's guidelines. If your business is not eligible or your profile violates Google Business Profile guidelines, the verification may still fail, no matter how well you record the video. So before proceeding, make sure your profile is fully compliant. I have shared the guideline link in the description. You can check that out. I also recommend completing these steps before recording your video. 1. Make sure your Google Business Profile follows all the guidelines. You can find the relevant guidelines in the video description. Second, have proper citations and references for your business across the web. Third, make sure your website complies with the guidelines and is connected to Google Search Console. Now let's talk about the video itself. Before you press record, keep these points in mind. First, make sure your location is turned on your phone. Second, you can explain what you are showing while recording. Speaking is not mandatory, but it can help provide context. Third, try not to show yourself or other people in the video. This is only a recommendation, not a requirement. So do not overthink it. Record naturally and focus on showing the business clearly. Finally, remember that you have up to 5 minutes to complete the verification. Do not rush. A clear and steady video is much better than a fast and unclear one. Now here's the most important part of the entire video. Google is primarily trying to verify 3 things. Number 1, your location. Is the location or is the business actually operating from the location you have claimed? Number 2, the existence of your business. Is it genuine business that operates as described on the profile? Number 3, your authorization. Are you genuinely authorized to represent and manage the business? That's it. If your video clearly proves these 3 things, you have covered the main points Google is looking for. So with that in mind, let's get started. I'll now show you step by step exactly how I recommend recording your Google Business Profile video verification. Now let's record the video. On your mobile device, open Google Business Profile. Select the business you want to verify and tap Get Verified. In some cases, Google may ask whether there's an existing or duplicate business. If neither option applies, select none of these and continue with Business Video Verification. Now tap Start Recording. So before you begin, remember that the entire verification would be recorded in one continuous shot. Prove your location. Start your video from a place where you can clearly show an official street sign. If your business is far from the street sign, that's completely fine. Walk or drive there, but don't skip this step. After showing the street sign, slowly move to a nearby business that has its address displayed on the signboard. Clearly show the business name and address. This acts as a landmark and helps Google confirm your location. Now continue towards your business. First show your door number if there's one, and slowly move to your business signboard and make sure your business name is clearly visible. If your signboard also displays the address, phone number or website, that's even more better, but it's not mandatory. Congratulations, you have completed the first requirement, proving your location. Step 2, prove your business exists. Now it's time to prove that your business is genuine. After showing your business signboard, enter your premises and slowly show your tools, equipment, products, inventory, work area, or anything else related to your business. One very important tip: whenever possible, focus only on items that display your business name, like your business license, registration certificate, insurance, utility bill, invoice, branded tools, uniforms, business cards, but it should have your business name on it. Move slowly and make sure everything is clearly visible. Showing random items that aren't related to your business or don't display your business name doesn't add value. I have also included a checklist of recommended documents and items in the description below. So be sure to check it before recording your video. Once you have done this, you have completed the second requirement, proving that your business exists. Now coming to step 3, prove your authorization. This is the most important step. I would say all steps are important. Okay, so finally, Google wants to know that you are genuinely authorized to manage this business. The easiest way to prove this is by performing an action that only owner or an authorized employee can do. For example, like unlock the main entrance, open the office or workshop, unlock the cash counter, open a private office or cabin, turn on your computer, open your billing or invoicing software, create a sample invoice or demonstrate that you have access to your business systems. These actions help demonstrate that you have legitimate access to the business. Once you have shown this, you have completed the third and final requirement, proving your authorization. Congratulations. Before submitting your video, Google will give you an opportunity to review it. Watch the entire recording carefully and make sure everything is clearly visible. Nothing important has been missed. The video is steady and easy to follow. If you are not satisfied with the recording, simply record it again before submitting. Taking a few extra minutes to review your video can improve your chances of a successful verification. Once you are happy with the recording, submit it and wait for Google's review. I hope this guide helps you complete your Google Business Profile video verification successfully. If this video helped you verify your business, I'd love to hear about it. And if your verification still doesn't go through, so let me know that as well. Share your experience in the comments. I read every comment and will do my best to help you. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more free Google Business Profile tutorials and share my real world experience with all of you. Thank you for watching this video, and you'll see me again in the next video. Bye bye.